heading towards the waterfall now. It looks like a jungle here. This is how the place looks like at the moment. Catching up with the rest because we were busy taking OOTDs. So strong. Run. Can actually rent motos, but you need to pay. So we opt to walk. I mean, it's a healthier choice. Catching up. Can you hear the sound of the water? And we are here. Oh, it's too far. Yeah. Looking down the stairs. This is the Bandung version of Niagara Falls. Going down, walking to the bridge. Woo-hoo. Holy shit! Oh damn! Wow, look! But it's dirty, ew. Done with the waterfall. Now we are going back up again. Okay, it's just like the 10th step and I'm already panting like mad. More to go. Time for a break. Waiting for the others. Look like a mess, right? Who cares?
그게 더 변했었던 나야 나도 모르게 falling you 빠져든 더